about Facebook and get your channel together.
Yeah, our channel ain't together because we ain't record nothing.
No, because you don't record shit. You just sit there like a fucking lump.
I ain't gonna record by myself. Babe, you throwing me off. You doing that on purpose. I pay my seatbelt on. You don't know how to treat a lady in a vehicle. Just throw me all over the place.
Shut your ass up.
We can't never get along in the car. Ever.
Bumpy again.
But good morning, guys. What you want to say, like, welcome to the vlog?
What up, though?
What up, though? What is this thing hanging out the side of your head?
It's a pencil.
That's one freaky looking pencil.
It's for me to draw my lines. Draw my lines on my floor. When I'm measuring it out. That's what it's
Well,
for.
I'm dropping husband off at work.
No, I'm
From the
dropping
passenger seat.
myself off, and she's driving away after I drop myself off at work. Because clearly she didn't get into the driver's side as if she wasn't driving, so it's cool. But when she gotta go somewhere, I'm gonna make sure I get in the passenger seat. You could drive yourself there, I'll drive myself back.
You petty.
I don't care. What you? What are you?
Comfortable in the passenger
Nah,
seat.
fuck that. What you mean? I'm about to go work. I should be comfortable in the passenger seat, ready to go to work, while you about to do nothing.
I do stuff.
You about to know that.
I do a lot of stuff.
Like what? Go to Michael's?
Yes.
Huh?
You know how much energy that takes driving on the road with these people that don't know how to drive?
You know how much it takes to have you as my wife? It takes
It's
a
not
lot.
that much energy.
Yes, it is.
No, we don't.
Yes, it is. Cause you. Yes, you are. Why you doing here? Lip ashy.
Why you all in my lip?
I'm not in your lip. I'm on it, not in it.
Why you on my lip?
Cause I can do that. You're my wife. I'm allowed to do that. Come on, water it.
I was on that lip this morning.
Really?
What?
On what lip? Spell.
You a jerk.
Spell. I would spell it H-S.
I don't hear no S. HMUFF.
Alright, spell
CHEE.
no.
CHEESCH.
No, I say is TCH EEEECHH.
I. Do it again.
It's silent.
It's silent. The I is not silent.
It is silent.
Oh, God.
You know how they got? We should put an X on something because you know how they put X's on something like Sion. It's spelled with an X. Like we should just put an X on something, like just something, anything. Oh, y'all waiting to turn?
Yeah, like Xander, but it's not a Z, it's an X.
Yeah. So his name is Xander.
Sander.
It's
X.
how you make an X? How you make the X sound?
The X make the S sound or the C sound, not the cuppers.
No, I want to hear somebody make an X sound. What does an X make? What sound does an X? They didn't ever teach me that.
Like X.
In
It's an
elementary,
S sound.
the elementary school or pre-K, I don't think I remember what the X sound like. No, it don't. It's an X.
Like X.
X.
Or a Z, like xylophone, is an X. I hate the fact that when they teaching the kids the alphabet, for the letter X, they use xylophone. I would be confused as hell.
They want what the fuck
Like,
is
what?
a xylophone? Like, excuse me?
That's the Z sound, because I know that sound like zoo.
Well, any other joint I seen was zebra. It was always zebra.
But for X, what do they always use? It's
X-ray.
Oh yeah, X-ray, okay. But it's another one. And for it was U for ukulele. Don't no damn kids know what a damn ukulele is.
I always seen umbrella.
I'm flipping through the book. Yeah, why they just couldn't use umbrella? I'm flipping through the book and it said ukulele, and I'm looking at it like, wait a minute, that look like a violin. I would have never guessed it as a ukulele. How the hell is I supposed to teach my kids this?
Definitely like a violin.
I'm just saying, a kid with a guitar, something. They ain't gonna know what a ukulele is.
All right, I got another one for you. Spell.
What? That's a hard one.
All right, spell.
Spell what? Start with a T. We need to add letters to the alphabet.
Yes, spell. I spell it. That's difficult. Oh, the horse is bang. It's a little difficult there.
How would you spell that? Can you use it in a sentence?
All right. I had some food and it was so good. I just was like,
Okay.
I would like to buy a vowel.
Yeah, please buy a vowel. What would be the vowel? I think it would be a U.
Yeah. I say
N-U-K-K.
N-U, yeah. N-U-K-K-A-P-P-E.
What? Yo.
That's how you spell it. Like when you crack your knuckle, and they be like, and then on the movie it'd be like crack.
But it'll say
It don't
crack on the subtitles.
Yeah,
it don't spell out the
it don't
sound
make
word.
it doesn't make a crack sound. When you go, that should say N-N-N-U-B-B-B something 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 like that. It doesn't say crack. That should say.
Let me see.
See? It made that sound. Yup. See? N-U-K-K. See? Yup. N-U-K-K-U-P-P-P-P-E. You gotta have all those P's too, because it has a stretch to. Sam's. I was been to work at 19 minutes ago
He's late.
because my wife didn't drive. And she wanted to stay laying in bed.
No. What? You the one who took a 30-minute poop when it was time to go.
My fault. I didn't take a shit.
Well, there you go. That's why you late.
And I'm not late because of this shit. I'm late because you stayed
No.
in bed long. I could have took my shit 30 minutes before the long ass bed stay. Now, Jared. That's what that said.
Well, to my knowledge, you enjoyed the bed stay, so you can't talk shit about it.
We talked about what is this bed stay you think you're talking about here?
Oh, you didn't enjoy it?
I was asleep.
Oh, okay.
What are you talking about?
Oh, that's the end of bed stays.
Bed stay? Girl, you are my wife. I ain't gonna end this shit until I say it's the end of it.
don't have the final say. You can have the first say, but you don't have the final say.
No. I have
The wife always has the final say.
Negativity.
You have the initial say.
Negative. I have the say. I am the man, the king, the alpha. No. When I say it's done, it's finished. You're done. When I say you're done, you're done. Just like that. You're done. You're done. You're done. Look at him. You're done. Just look, yo, you're done. You're done, player.
So, Puddin' Pop, what time are you getting up work?
I don't know. I'll let you know. This is the Federal.
What's the sardines can?
Federale Street.
I was about to say, damn, that's a lot of mailboxes.
Oh, yeah.
That's Alex Church.
Oh, really?
Really?
Look at me calling my papa.
They'll pull up with this mailbox.
Oh, yeah. Call dad. Why she'll never call dad?
Calling dead money bag. Banded wad of American dollars.
Banded wad of American dollars. Money bag. You know how you put the emojis behind the person name?
Hey, dad. You at the house? Oh, all right, okay. Okay.
You know how you put the emojis behind the person name when you put it in your contact? Siri describes the emoji.
She be like, money bag.
Dad, money bag. It said what? Banded wad of American dollars.
When they call H, it be like, calling the block, money bag, money bag. That's why every time I say money bag, I say money bag like that. Money bag, money bag. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
So now that he's getting ready to go, the fun will begin.
No god dang fun. What do you mean? What do you mean Barts have bites?